Hello everybody, it's Dr. Singer here with Singer Chiropractic Wellness Center. Today I'm here to talk to you about carpal tunnel syndrome. So a little bit about what it is and some things that how we treat it in our office and what you can do at home to help yourself out in the meantime. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, what is carpal tunnel syndrome? Carpal tunnel syndrome is actually what's called a double crush problem. It starts in the neck, okay? So there's these nerves in the neck that actually go into your hands. And that if there's impingement on the neck and those nerves, what can happen is you'll get an imbalance of the muscles in your hand. So you'll have too much strength in the front of your hand and then not enough strength in the back of it. And so a lot of people, if you're sitting at a computer for a long period of time during the day and you're constantly working your flexor muscles, what will end up happening is these muscles will also start to really tighten up. And so how do we take care of that? So, and on top of that, what happens to your hands? So you have these bones in your hands called your carpal bones. And if any of these get shifted out of alignment, they actually can start to cause a lot of pain right in that what's called your flexor retinaculum or carpal tunnel. And that'll actually cause a lot of pain, numbness, tingling into the hands. So how do we treat it in the office? So today I have Beth here. She's going to be kind of a model. So we're going to be going and taking a look at your hands here, okay? Mm-hmm. So we're going to be looking, the first thing that we do is we assess the hands. We make sure that the elbow, some of the bones in the elbow here are in the proper position. So I would check these out. I would check the elbow to make sure that they're sitting in the proper position as well. And the last thing we're going to check is the bones here. And so this bone is actually out of alignment. This is called the lunate bone. So if this bone is out of alignment, if you can imagine, this carpal tunnel runs right through here, and you have this median nerve which comes in and innervates the hand here. So what we would do is we would adjust this bone right here. So I'm going to take this, we would take this and move it just right there. So on top of that, this is one of the ways that we would help out in the office. Another thing we're going to go ahead and do is we would work out these muscles here. So I'm actually going to show you how to do this so you guys can do this at home, okay? So what you would do is you could take a little bit of lotion like this and you put it on your hand like that. And all you do is you take your hand like this, just your thumb, and then as you move your hand back and forth like this, you're just going to slowly work out any knots or kinks that you find inside of the muscle there. And so you do that for about 30 seconds or about 3 to 10 passes on any knots or adhesions that you find in there. Because if you're having some pain in there, that's in adhesions, that's going to be putting a lot of pressure on this carpal tunnel there. The next thing I want to show you to do, and you guys can do at home, is some stretches for those same muscles there, okay? So what you're going to do, if you want to do this arm, so you're going to take your arm out like this, and then you're going to grab this hand, and you're going to pull down like that. And you feel the stretch right through there, right? Mm-hmm. So you take it, stretch out that side, and that's going to help really get a nice stretch right through those flexor muscles, okay? And you're going to do that. You can do that on both sides. It feels really good. Do this a couple of times throughout the day just to prevent any of these muscles to get too tight, okay? The last thing we're going to show you guys and show you here is, like I said, if these muscles are too tight and these are too weak, we want to make sure that these muscles are weak enough, or are strengthened, okay? So to do that, we got our high-tech equipment here, and everybody can get these at home. We've got medium strength rubber bands, okay? All you need to do is you're going to take these and you're going to put them on your hands like this. And I'll show you guys first. So we're going to put them on your hands like this, in like a flower bud, and then you're going to open up and stretch like that, like a claw. And you're going to do this about 30 times, okay? And like I said, a couple times during the day. Do it to where you almost till you feel fatigue, okay? And you're going to get it on there, and you'll feel these muscles in the back starting to activate. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. Flower bud right there. And then open up, very good, like a claw. There you go. Put it on like that. Perfect. Perfect. So you did 30 times. You feel that right there? Perfect. Mm-hmm. So you do that a few times, about 30 seconds, a couple times during the day, and you'll be all set.
All right.
Thank you so much. All right. So that is some stuff that you guys can do at home to help yourself out. I hope you found some value in this video, and I look forward to seeing you soon. If you'd like to know a little bit more about what we do in the office, go ahead and give us a call, 714-582-6235. Also, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with any new information that's going to be coming out, okay? I look forward to seeing you soon.